So friends, why do we celebrate Diwali? Who started to celebrate Diwali? What is the historical background of Diwali? Why is there a decoration of lights on Diwali? What are the mythological stories related to Diwali? Who is the goddess Lakshmi and why do we worship goddess Lakshmi on Diwali? There are a lot of such questions which come in our mind. So in this video, I will try to answer all these questions. Friends, Diwali is one of the most important festivals of India. According to Indian Panchang, it is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya every year. This year, we are celebrating Diwali on 4th November. People of all ages celebrate and enjoy Diwali. We decorate our house with candles, diyas, and decorative bulbs. There is a tradition of cleaning our house and surroundings before Diwali. Diwali is a 5 days long festival starting from 13th day of Kartik to its 17th day. First day is celebrated as Dhanteras, second day as Narak Chaturdasi, third day as Lakshmi Puja, fourth day as Govardhan Puja, and fifth day as Bhai Dooj. On the day of Lakshmi Puja, we welcome Goddess Lakshmi with lights. There is a tradition of making Rangoli at the entrance of our house. We worship Devi Lakshmi with Lord Ganesh on the day and distribute prasad to each other. Friends, Diwali is not popular among Hindus only, but it is celebrated by Jains, Sikhs and Buddhists also. They all have different reasons for celebrating Diwali, with the same belief that Diwali represents the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, good over evil, etc. There are many mythological stories related to Diwali. Different mythological stories are popular among Hindus depending on regions and communities. One such story is related to Lord Ram. When Lord Ram with Devi Sita and brother Lakshman returned to Ayodhya after staying 14 years in exile, people of Ayodhya welcomed them with light on their path. Another story is related to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna killed Narkasur to release 16,000 girls captured by Narkasur. Day before Diwali is remembered as Narak Chaturdasi. In Jainism, Diwali is celebrated as Mahavir Nirvana Divas. On this day, Lord Mahavir got his physical death and final nirvana. According to the Jain tradition, this practice of lighting lamps first began on the day of Mahavira's nirvana in 527 BCE. Sikh people celebrate the Diwali as Bandi Chhod Divas in the memory of Guru Hargobind Singh. On this day, he was released by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Whatever the story is popular among the communities, but most of the people celebrate Diwali as the birthday of Devi Lakshmi and worship Devi Lakshmi with Lord Ganesh on this day. Devi Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. It is believed that she comes to our house on this day to bless us with wealth. It is also popular among newer Nepalese Buddhists following the same tradition as of Hindus. No doubt, we all enjoy Diwali. We burn crackers. But if you are a child, you should burn crackers in presence of your parents or elders. So have a happy and safe Diwali. Bye everyone.